In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix App Store stuck on loading screen on iPhone. If your App Store just spins on the loading screen, won't show results, or refuses to install apps, don't worry. We'll work through a simple sequence that fixes the vast majority of cases, starting with your connection and moving to settings that may be blocking it. I'll show you quick fixes you can try right now in order so you don't waste time. First, make sure your internet connection is solid. The App Store needs an active, stable connection to load anything. Check that you're on Wi Fi or mobile data, then test it by opening a website in your browser or playing a short online video. If the page is slow or the video buffers, that instability can be the culprit. Switch to a stronger signal or a more reliable network before trying again. If it's still stuck, switch your network entirely to refresh the link to Apple's servers. If you're on Wi Fi, move to mobile data. If you're on mobile data, jump onto Wi Fi. After you switch, force close and relaunch the App Store so it starts fresh. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the app switcher, swipe up on the App Store to close it, then reopen it and try search or install again. This refresh often clears temporary hiccups. Give it a moment after reopening to populate the tabs. Next, check for screen time restrictions. Content and privacy restrictions can silently block the App Store from loading as expected. Open settings, scroll to screen time, tap content and privacy restrictions, and turn that entire switch off. Then reopen the App Store and see if the loading issue is gone. You can turn restrictions back on later if you rely on them. If the problem persists, reset all settings on your iPhone. This does not erase your personal data like photos or messages, but it will reset things such as Wi-Fi passwords, display settings, and other preferences. You'll need to re-enter Wi-Fi passwords afterward. Go to Settings, tap General, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, choose Reset, then select Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode and confirm Reset All Settings. Your iPhone will restart, and when it comes back up, open the App Store and test it again. After following these steps, the App Store should stop getting stuck on loading and start working normally, letting you find, download, and update apps without a hitch. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful,